Good morning po sa mga nasa Zoom at FB Live. Yes, ako po si Coach Tori na your speaker po para sa ating special topic. Share ko na po ang aking slide. So thank you everyone for being here. We appreciate your time and your presence po, and thank you for learning with us this morning. So ang atin pong topic, the most important hormone in obesity and overweight is insulin. Ang ating pong topic ay mula kay Dr. David Heber. Sino po siya? Chairman ng Herbalife Nutrition Institute. And yung source po natin nitong topic na ito is yung Instagram po mismo ni Dr. David Heber. Before anything else po, just like the rest of the people earlier, if you have been here since we started po, may amazing transformation po sila. Ako rin po meron. So Lori Rivas, I'm a 3-time cesarean section mama. Breastfeeding kay Bunso when I started Herbalife. Yun po ang background ko po. I'm a virtual assistant assisting to US clients. So more clients, more fun, more US clients, more puyat, more income pero more unhealthy lifestyle. And since ang background ko rin po ay started early ng pagtatrabaho at the age of 18, so naging working student po ako, payat-puyat sakitin. So yung level po ng pag-iipon ko ng unhealthy habits and lifestyle, way back pa po. With this one po, dyan sa picture po na nasa left, what I did not like. Even po payat naman po ako nung mas bata ako. With that part, hindi ko na po siya mapapaba until I met my coach po. Shinare niya po yung Herbalife, yung program, and hindi daw po makaka-hinder or sagabal po sa breastfeeding journey namin ni Bunso. Working with my coach, exposing myself sa learning community po, especially dito po sa Virtual Nutrition Club, I grew deeper appreciation of nutrition for my goals, not just for myself, eventually po, to my husband and for my kids. Lahat po kami ngayon nag-Herbalife. Fast forward, I lost more than 30 amazing pounds, including more than 10% ng body fats ko po. We became a member and then eventually a supervisor at 50% discount. First for the family wellness, but it gave us an opportunity to be trained and equipped to help one mother at a time, one working student at a time, one family at a time po. Dito sa journey po namin na ito. And yung dati pong mommy na stay at home, working at home since 2017, nakakalabas na rin po ng bansa for international trainings. Kasama po namin sila Coach Jessie sa Thailand. So in this community po, there's so much growth beyond po sa physical results na nakikita natin ngayon. And ang favorite ko rin pong tablets to support this healthy journey is yung vitamins and minerals, yung NRG, yung cell complex na pampabata. So sino pong hindi may excite, ilang birthdays na lang po, magpo-40 na. Pero with that state po na healthier, fitter, grabe po, I'm looking forward to being dual citizen or senior citizen, being in this community. That is why I love Herbalife. So going back po sa ating topic, the most important hormone in obesity is and overweight is insulin. So ano pong meron dito? Wait lang po Yan. So define po natin mabilis. Overweight and obesity defined by the increase in fat cells in the body and are linked to many health problems. And sabi din po sa isang article natin, yung obesity daw po, it's a complicated condition and it's about much more than just the number on the scale. So we're not just talking about po yung timbang na nakikita natin sa scale. Carrying extra weight affects the way our body works. Kaya po, there's support needed po sa mga tao na gustong mag-move away po sa overweight and obesity. And these changes influence almost every system in our body, and they contribute to diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and some forms of cancer. And obesity po, according to the World Health Organization, is a growing problem in many areas of the world. Sanabi din po dito na more than 4 million people die every year to obesity or overweight. So hindi po siya basta lamang po pag uusap tungkol sa timbang na nasa scale. And dito po sa Pilipinas, according to the DOST FNRI, or Department of Science and Technology, Food and Nutrition Research Institute, yung overweight and obesity po are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that may impair health. And according to the 2019 Expanded National Nutrition Survey done by the same organization or entity, 36% or 4 out of 10 Filipino adults are overweight and obese, and which is alarming din po kasi po, kung ano po yung lifestyle ng mga adults na acquire po ng mga bata. And meron nagpo-post daw po ng serious health consequences then like congenital abnormalities, when the mom gains so much weight during the pregnancy, ayan po, heart disease and stroke, type 2 diabetes, osteoarthritis, and some forms of cancer. Konting review lang po kanina if you've been here with Coach Jared po. Shinare po yung value of healthy breakfast. Pero let me just show this po na may kinalaman po yung pagtaas ng blood sugar level dun sa pagre-release ng insulin ng body natin. And as you can see po dito sa graph, hunger over hunger, therefore kain over kain. So pwede po tayo makaipon kumbaga ng excess na timbang or excess calories. And as they're recommended by the doctors po, ayan, yung ating healthy breakfast shows, just basing on the graph po, normal blood sugar level at hindi po spiking din na pag-release ng insulin, which can help po with proper weight management and overall health and wellness. Quickly define lang po natin yung insulin. Insulin po ay hormone made in our pancreas. It's a gland located behind our stomach, and the insulin allows our body to use glucose for energy. Pero pag sobra-sobra po, di na po natin siya ma-utilize. And let's hear this 30 to 40 second video of Dr. David Heber.
Hormone involved in obesity, and that hormone is called insulin. Let's take a look. Every time you eat more calories than you burn, or you increase your insulin levels. That results from a diet rich in sugar and refined carbohydrates. As that high insulin level persists, you get what's called insulin resistance, which then drives the insulin even higher. This vicious cycle drives sugar into fat, grows more fat tissue to store extra calories. What results is something called type 2 diabetes or diabesity. This is more common than you think. 50% of Chinese and 50% of Californians have diabesity. You can help with the right amount of protein, exercise, and fruits and vegetables. This is Dr. Dave Heber. We'll see you next time. Hormone.
Ayan. Alright, so thank you for watching that video po. What Dr. Heber said, balikan lang po natin. Ito po yung pinakita niya na diabetes. It's a vicious cycle na vicious cycle, looping cycle po. Chronic siya dahil paulit-ulit po nating nalilid yung body natin sa cycle na ito. In summary po din ang sinabi niya, ayan, pag po over ang ating calories in or the calories that we take in, tapos mas mababa po, less than po yung calories out or what we expend, nagli-lead po siya sa increase ng insulin levels. And kapag po ang type ng ating diet or yung na-appreciate po natin na way of eating is yung diet rich in sugar or the refined carbohydrates, going back din po dun sa value of healthy breakfast, yung mga types of simple carbohydrates based na nakaka-affect po sa blood sugar level natin, nagsistimulate po ng insulin as explained din po dun sa graph kanina na ang response ng body po natin magre-release ng insulin para po mapababa yung blood sugar natin. And additionally po, when high insulin level persists or nag-uulit-ulit na po siya or hindi po siya tumitigil, it drives insulin even higher. So yung body po natin nagiging insulin resistant naman. So nagiging much more complicated po ang parang process ng ating body. Ayan. And continuing po, ayan, the vicious cycle drives sugar into fat cells, then grows more fat tissue to store extra calories, therefore leading our body po dun sa tinatawag na diabetes or type 2 diabetes. So hindi lang po siya basta dahil naging mahilig tayo sa matatamis, but nag-contribute na po dun sa overall natin na ginagawa over a period of time. And lastly po on this slide, diabetes or type 2 diabetes is very common and is a growing worldwide epidemic according to Dr. David Heber. And as mentioned po, it's 50% present in the Chinese and 50% present in Californians kasi po based siya sa California. Pero looking around po dito sa Philippines, sa mga family and friends po natin, marami po tayong makakatch na either nagwa-watch na po sila ng sugar, borderline, or sila po hindi na po nila na-catch yung symptoms before or inintindi yung symptoms before na nag-lead na po dun sa actual state of being diabetic. Ayan. What else do we have here? Yung recommendation po ni Dr. David Heber. how can we help in this situation po? Sabi, right amount of protein, exercise, fruits and vegetables. As you notice po, itong tatlo pong major na sinabi din ni Dr. David Heber ay part po ng ginagawa natin sa Herbalife community po natin. And let me also share again the Formula 1 nutritional shake mix, which is protein-based. There's also Rebuild Strength that was mentioned earlier. But as you can see din po, yung ating pong nutritional shake mix, if you're trying to watch your sugar, certified low glycemic index po siya. It's a seal awarded to the product itself po. Kumbaga, meron pong body or organization na nagsucertify po ng pagiging low glycemic index. So ano pong ibig sabihin pag low glycemic index? Yung gradual blood sugar increase po, which can in turn help our body with the release of the insulin if the blood sugar is on gradual increase po. And types of low glycemic index food is the complex carbohydrates. And it can also help us feel full for longer if the cycle is hunger over hunger, therefore eating overeating. If we feel full for longer, we can then help our body dun po sa ma-break po or at least maintain yung cycle, yung vicious cycle na tinatawag. And given on this picture po, makikita niyo po na nasa low glycemic category po ang ating Formula 1 nutritional shake mix. Continuing with the protein po, if tayo po ay nasa state ng magugutomin po tayo, ganyan, there's personalized protein powder that doesn't shoot up the calories that we're taking in, but gives us 5 grams of additional protein. And it can be also mixed po sa ibang mga food na meron tayo. And if we're the type naman po na napapansin natin, snacking over snacking din po tayo, there's high protein iced coffee that can support yung protein na kailangan din ng body natin, lower in calories, but the healthier version of the iced coffee that we may be used to seeing or consuming po. And at the same time po, we promote it as coffee with nutrition. Additionally, na-share na po ito kanina. Sa Herbalife po, we teach about 80% nutrition, 20% physical activity or exercise. Dito pa lang po sa Virtual Nutrition Club, we have Tuesday and Thursday. We have Thursday for the workout. Pero other than that po, we can choose the activities that we enjoy. And we also promote and encourage everyone to appreciate physical activity kasi meron din po talaga siyang benefits for our body. And it can also contribute to the calories out na tinatawag po. Remember, when the calories in is more than the calories out, it stimulates or increases din po our insulin. And additionally, fruits and vegetables po. Ayan, fruits and vegetables. We have fiber-rich tablets in Herbalife, such as the Fiber Bond and the Fiber and Herb. You can ask your sponsor or the coach or the person invited to hear about this one. This is a powerful tablet po that can supply additional fiber to our body, which can help as well to feel full for longer. And there's fat blocker and there's walis dun sa mga dumi natin sa bituka that can help with better digestion, better digestive health. And i-add ko na rin po yung herbal aloe concentrate. You might have heard of this earlier. Cleansing the digestive health, detoxify and hydrates. But at the same time po, this can also be a great replacement. As mentioned kanina, diet rich in sugar. So kung kayo naman po or may kakilala kayo na sadya pong mahilig dun sa matatamis na mga inumin or hindi po sila makainom ng liquid na parang walang lasa or hindi nila matake yung water as it is pag plain na plain po, herbal aloe concentrate can be a good beverage. It's an alternative po dun sa mga high sugar drinks natin. And it can also tame din po yung panlasa natin, lalo na po pag nasanay na tayo ng ganun. Ayan. And syempre, add ko na rin po yung herbal tea concentrate, which is fat burning, para po maka-help din, mag-energize tayo, can power through our day, and it can help with boosting our metabolism as well. And as I end po, we are very proud to share with you the article of Dr. David Heber, the products of Herbalife and the company itself, because we are #1 in the world, in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, active and lifestyle nutrition, and additionally dito po sa Philippines, Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand. Ayan, ano pong ibig sabihin niyan? Seal of product quality. It assures consumers that we are availing a product that is excellent in its category. Para po sa mga nandito ngayon sa Zoom at FB Live na hindi pa po nagsisay yes, sa mga wellness coaches na nakapag-reach out po sa inyo, thank you for saying yes today because you are unlocking your healthier, fitter self once you start your journey. And for the people po like us who's every day saying yes to good nutrition, thank you for staying in the community. And I hope today you learn a thing or two that can help you with your personal health and wellness journey. And na pwede nyo rin pong ma-share sa inyo pong family and friends because there's a natural po na tendency sa atin na ngayon pa lang may naiisip na po tayo na pwede nating pag-share ng topic na ito. So again, this is Coach Lori po. Thank you for learning with us today and back to you po, Coach Jessie.
Yes.